G'day everyone, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and I'm doing this bathroom at the moment. I've finished the tiling. I'm about to put up VJ board and the first one will be going up like that. I'm going to be lifting it up a tad so it's got a little bit of room to move from between the tiles and the VJ board. I'm using a special glue which I've got to get from a van in a minute, so I'll be back in a sec. This is a special stud adhesive. I need to put it on fairly thick. Because I'm packing out my wall was out a lot. Here is my 1200 mark. There are my stud marks, so I'll just be tacking it until the glue dries. I'll probably put in a staple or two as well. I don't put very much up there because it's running into the corners. So it just about runs from about 5mm packing to nothing. Bit more up the top there. Another one there for luck. I have pre-primed these sheets, as you can see. It's always a good idea to prime your sheet in a bathroom. Leave a bit of a gap. Wedge it up. To the corners. I'm happy with that. Always use a block of wood. Never just your hammer. Lost my wedge. I like that a lot. if I plumb up, I won't miss my studs. I just want to put a couple of tacks in. Just to hold it. I'll pull them out later. Beautiful. I'll be putting a nice bead of timber along there, roughly the same shape as that. Okay, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, poke the subscribe button, ring the bell. We'll see you soon. Bye. Yeah, g'day. It's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and we're just popping these sheets up of VJ board. I've just put it up there, so I need to give it a bit of a hit. So it connects with the glue. I've primed these sheets. I've primed the back of the sheets. So we're home and hose. I'll just plumb a line up so I don't miss the stud with my nail. I'm just tacking it until the glue goes off, and then I'll pull them out. I will put a few staples in. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'll tell you what I didn't do though. Oh, that's cool. Yep. So then I'll be putting another sheet in, cutting that one, and then round to here and up and over and butting into the tile. Okay, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, write a comment if you like. Press the subscribe button if you would, and ask me any questions that you want to. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.